Having a positioning statement helps both you and your customers understand your business. And it's especially important for local businesses like auto repair shops. A positioning statement guides your brand identity at every step of the way. By developing it, you'll have an internal idea that you can always come back to help you make sure business decisions are guided by those principles. Your positioning statement should aim to answer questions like, what services do your shop provide? What audience do you intend to serve? What sets you apart from the competitors in your area? And why a customer should choose you over them. For auto repair shops, being able to answer these questions will let both you and your customers know everything about how your shop does business. Without building and following a proper position statement, potential customers might be unsure if you're the fit for their vehicle that they're looking for. But it also gives you the structure to know how you want your shop to operate. Say, for example, if your shop only wants to target high-end European and luxury brands, then you need to make that known to your customers. You'll build out your website to showcase those brands that you serve. You'll tailor your ad targeting and ad copy to try and bring more of the customers you're looking for. In our interactions with clients, we built marketing campaigns for many differently positioned shops, from those looking to expand their fleet services to those who just want to provide services to any vehicle owner available. Each of these shops has developed a positioning statement, which allows us to better understand their business, letting us then figure out how we can best present them to their local market. The way that you position yourselves in your local market directly influences your shop's reputation, which we previously talked about here. If you want to position yourself as a shop that delivers the best of the best, most premium experience, then you need to make sure that your operational processes reflect that, both in the service you provide and in your interactions with customers. But a positioning statement also benefits you, not just as a reminder of your business goals, but also for how you present yourself through your marketing material. Back to our example of a shop targeting luxury brands. Let's compare these two designs. One feels generic, like it could fit the franchise shop down the road. The other takes that positioning statement into account by showing your target market, what sets you apart, and trying to prove why customers should come to you. Your website design, marketing material, and everything that you put in front of your customers should follow your positioning statement and work together to help build the image of your shop that you want. While your shop's day-to-day focuses on the services that you provide to your customers, it's important to understand and remember the reason why your business does what it does, why you work on the vehicles you work on, why you're different from the shop just down the street, and what makes your customers choose you in the first place. And all of that is shaped by the positioning statement of your auto repair shop.